chemical properties of alcohols. And today we are studying the reaction where the cleavage of OH bond takes place, and here now the second reaction is reaction with acid chlorides and acid anhydrides. Alcohols जो हैं अगर हम इनको हीट करें, when heated with acid chlorides या acid anhydride से और acid anhydride in presence of base like pyridine or dimethyl ये बेस है, लेना है as catalyst. So we get esters are formed. Again I will repeat it. Alcohols जो हैं, if we heat them with acid chloride or acid anhydride in presence of base, pyridine base में लेना है और dimethyl aniline, वहां पर आपको एस्टर्स मिलेंगे. दिस रिएक्शन जो है इसको हम एसाइलेशन रिएक्शन बोलते हैं. दिस रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एसाइलेशन. अगर आप एसिटाइल क्लोराइड ले रहे हैं, if the reaction is taken by the acetyl chloride, then it's called acetylation. Keep it in mind. In examination, the question is asked to give the acetylation reaction or acylation reaction. Acylation आम से कहते हैं, लेकिन आप acetyl chloride या acetic anhydride ले रहे हैं, if the reaction takes place in acetic chloride, acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, then this reaction is called acetylation. For example, I will write here the reaction. This is acetyl chloride, or we call it ethanoyl chloride. Acetyl chloride मैंने लिया. We call it ethanoyl chloride. अब हम इसको C2H5 ethyl alcohol मैंने ले लिया. Now here OH bond breaks, so we get HCl in presence of pyridine. It gives CH3 यहाँ से, C double bond O C2H5. This ethyl acetate, these are esters. Ethyl acetate is formed. So acetylation reaction इसको बोलते हैं. अब मैं यहाँ पर acetic anhydride लूँ. This is acetic anhydride. प्लस मैं यहाँ से अल्कोहल लूँ, इथाइल अल्कोहल. So यानी acetic anhydride लिया मैंने. Now what happens? The reaction takes place in presence of pyridine, gives CH3 यहाँ से, C double bond ये वाला bond breaks, O C2H5, हाइड्रोजन जो यहाँ आ जाएगा, प्लस CH3 COOH. एक तो आपका एस्टर बन गया, दिस एसिड बन गया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एसिटाइलेशन रिएक्शन, और एसाइलेशन हम आम से बोलते हैं. सो now we have used here the pyridine. Why pyridine is used? Because pyridine, in case of here पायरिडीन इज यूज्ड बिकॉज आपका जो बाई प्रोडक्ट मिल गया, यहाँ पर आपका HCl मिल गया ये वाला. सो पायरिडीन इज यूज्ड टू न्यूट्रलाइज दिस HCl. पायरिडीन जो हमने यहाँ पर यूज किया, it neutralizes the HCl formed, which in this way the reaction proceeds in the forward direction, or the equilibrium is shifted in the forward direction. This is the acetylation or acylation reaction. You must remember sometimes the question is asked why pyridine is used. Pyridine is used because it neutralizes the HCl formed. Otherwise, the reaction is shifted by using the pyridine. Reaction shifts in the forward direction. That is, this ester is formed. If we keep it HCl as such, then it proceeds in the backward direction. So this is the acetylation reaction. Those reactions of alcohols while the cleavage of OH bond takes place. Now, reactions of alcohols. Alcohols involving cleavage of COH bond, यानी यहां से बॉन्ड ब्रेकअप होता है. नंबर ऑफ रिएक्शंस टेक प्लेस. बहुत सारी रिएक्शन है जहां पर क्लीवेज ऑफ OH बॉन्ड टेक्स प्लेस. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन जो है यहां पर, ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इन केस वायर द COH बॉन्ड टेक्स प्लेस, tertiary are more active. Tertiary alcohols are more active than secondary alcohols than primary alcohols. So this is the order. Why this order? Students, the order is based on the basis of order जो है depends upon electron donating effect. Donating effect, that is plus I index effect. For example, I have written here it is tertiary alcohol. इसके बाद मैं लिखूंगा सेकेंडरी. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol. And I have written it. यहाँ पर तीन टर्शियरी अल्कोहल में तीन ग्रुप्स हैं which are electron donating. So what happens? By this way, the polarity of here three groups are present. Three methyl groups are present. So these donate electron to the oxygen. With the result, polarity of CO bond increases. That means polarity of CO bond increases. This becomes more polar. So with the result, this COH bond breaks. So greater the number of alkyl groups attached, more is the polarity. That means tertiary alcohol में तीन जो हैं methyl groups attached हैं, तो तीन alkyl groups, so they have इसका अपना injective effect, इसका अपना plus I injective, इसका अपना plus I. So that means here the polarity is greater. इसके बाद इसमें कम polarity, इसके बाद least polarity. इसका मतलब है यहाँ tertiary alcohol में breakup bond जो होता है, COH bond breaks easily, while in secondary to some difficult, while it is here difficult. So order of reaction is tertiary alcohols are more active, secondary than primary. So this is the order of reactivity in case of why the COH bond breaks place. Now the reaction is in alkyl halides, a reaction of alcohols with halogen acids. A reaction of alcohols with halogen acids. Alcohols जो हैं they react with halogen acids. HX. So what happens here? This bond breaks, gives RCl or X plus water. Water is eliminated. Water is formed. So this is the alkyl halide. So haloalkanes are formed. Here haloalkanes are formed. Haloalkanes are alkyl halide. This have you read in the preparation of haloalkanes. For example, this is C2H5. I have taken the ethyl alcohol plus hydrogen halide. I have taken the hydrochloric acid HCl, gives ethyl chloride, chloroethane plus H2O. This reaction, in case of primary alcohols and secondary alcohols, this reaction takes place in presence of zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride, which acts as a Lewis acid. It is a Lewis acid. This Lewis acid. A reaction of primary alcohols and secondary alcohols. CH3. This is secondary alcohol I have taken here. With HCl gives, this is the isopropyl chloride plus water. So a reaction of primary alcohols and secondary alcohols. These are primary alcohols are least reactive, you know, order is the tertiary is the more reactive. So primary और secondary alcohols में reaction जो है that takes place in presence of zinc chloride. It's a Lewis acid. Now this reaction, if we take the tertiary alcohol, for example, I write here the tertiary alcohol, right? Tertiary butyl alcohol plus HCl. It is 2-methyl prop to all plus HCl gives tertiary butyl chloride. So this reaction takes in absence of HCl. यहाँ पर आपको जिंक क्लोराइड की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, HCl डालना है. So reaction takes immediately. Immediately reaction takes place. So this is most reactive. Now if we take the HBr, if we take now the reaction, this was the reaction with HCl. अगर आप हाइड्रोब्रोमिक एसिड ले रहे हैं या हाइड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड जिसको आप बोलते हैं, इसको लेंगे तो रिएक्शन कैसे हो जाती है? I write here this is C2H5OH plus HBr. Now listen, when you use the HBr, then you have to take the concentrated H2SO4. The reaction of HBr, reaction of ethyl alcohol with HBr takes place in presence of H2SO4. It gives C2H5OBr plus H2. Now, if we use secondary and tertiary alcohols and HBr and H2SO4, then alkenes are formed. For example, this is CH3. OH plus HBr in presence of H2SO4. You must remember this reaction. Here, what happens? Alkene is formed as a product. This is the plus H2. This is the reaction. So, in case of when H2SO4 used, concentrated H2SO4 used, in case of HBr, in case of secondary alcohols, then alkene is formed, propanene is formed, and also in tertiary alcohol, alkene plus HBr अगर हम डाल रहे हैं तो आपका प्रोडक्ट जो आएगा in presence of H2SO4, that will be an alkene. This is the alkene. Here it is propanene. It is 2-methyl propanene. So it is propene. It is 2-methyl propanene. So HBr के जरिए अगर HBr in the primary alcohol, primary alcohol use HBr and H2SO4, you get ethyl bromide. But in secondary and tertiary alcohols, when we use the concentrated H2SO4, so dehydration takes place. So what will happen? There the alkene is formed. And in case of, if we have to make the iodo form, iodo derivative of the alkane, that's iodoalkane. This is CH3, CH2OH. I have taken ethyl alcohol plus HI, use यहाँ आपका आ जाएगा ऐसे CH2OH plus H2O. This is CH3 iodoalkane plus H2O. But if we use, this reaction comes in the examination. If we use, for example, अगर हम अल्कोहल ले रहे हैं तो उसमें आप आयोडाइड, हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड डाल रहे हैं, बट इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ रेड फास्फोरस. दिस कीप इट इन माइंड, रेड फास्फोरस. सो अगर आप रेड फास्फोरस ले रहे हैं इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड और रेड फास्फोरस लेंगे तो आपका आयोडोअल्केन नहीं बनेगा. सो दैट व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मड हियर? इट विल बी फॉर्मड, it is CH4, this one methane will be formed, plus H2O will be formed, plus I2 will be formed. Twice HI, H2O, H2O plus I2, iodine बनता है. So keep it in mind, when the alcohols are heated with hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus, we get alkanes, not alkyl iodides. So this was the reaction of alcohols with the halogen acids. Now reaction of alcohols, तीसरी reaction है a reaction of alcohols with PCl5 and PCl3. This comes in the examination. Simple reaction है. This is ROH plus PCl5 gives alkyl chloride बनेगा, chloralkane RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. This will be the product. For example, C2 H5 OH मैंने लिया, ethyl alcohol, ethanol plus PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. You must remember that phosphorus pentachloride is a reactive substance, gives C2H5Cl ethyl chloride plus POCl3 and HCl. अगर आप now PCl3 ले रहे हैं plus PCl3, then you have to take thrice times here. It will give thrice times C2H5Cl chloroethane plus यहाँ पर आपका जो प्रोडक्ट आए, keep it in mind, it is phosphorus acid. It is phosphorus H3PO3. This is the reaction. So this is the reaction of alcohols with PCl5 and PCl3. Second reaction is reaction of alcohols with the thionyl chloride. Of alcohols with thionyl chloride. You have read this reaction also. For example, ये आपका ROH है plus SOCl2 thionyl chloride, use RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. So this is ethyl alcohol plus SOCl2 gives C2H5Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. In the preparation of haloalkanes you have read, this is the best method because sulfur dioxide और आपका जो HCl है, they are formed in the gas form and they are removed and you get the chloroethane. This was the preparation reaction of alcohols involving the cleavage of OH bond.